with a look. Before I know, my corner door they gather. Everybody they peep. 5 times 5 is. So the guy they look. I said 5 times 5, you no answer. Stop there. I look and say, what? This is what you're doing in my class. This is what you're looking at in my class. This is what you're looking at in my class. Shift for me. When my papa come, they say, we saw your son with something and he doesn't want to say the owner of that thing. My papa said, my son, you not go talk him. Come here. Today you will say who gave you that thing. What is the thing? They say, in fact, he said, go and bring it. I will beat him today. They say, sir, we don't beat children in this school. He said, no, you spread the rod, you spread the child. Now my pikin, today you go talk that thing. And they go bring him. I know that kind of thing, not the right name, now signature. Now pass signature there on top. As they bring him, today you will say who gave you that thing. Then I see him. Say, okay. And I say, sir, let's go and get the cane. Since you say we must discipline him, and so they go, my by your face, me say, son, you have to do this for the family name. I said, daddy, you should, now your own. Don't you know that my thing is your thing? No. Push and give me the whip, shake it, come out from my body. From that day, if my papa just come and beat me, you liar. I go say, I agree, I be liar, but I want start to talk true from the other day. She go back, worry. My papa, I worry him to the point where he say, he called the time, he say, na me born you. He be like, say the message, not they sink. One day night carry me go in room. Okay. Say, come. I tell you, na me born you, not a year. You see this bed? Now here I make you. Me and your man. Now here I go kill you. Worry my father. You get what they happen? This April Fool thing. Today make exactly 1 month. May they stop him. Police arrested me last month, April 1st. Everybody who I call that they feel saying a joke. They call me say I be armed robber. Hello, daddy, they arrest me. Oh, they say I do everything. Come on, my son, April Fool. Everybody, now so police say today you are a dead man. Oh, you write your statement. And so I take barrel, I call right with you and no. And police take barrel and they sign April Fool. They say you comedians always using us to do joke. I body do you now. I get up, I won't go. They say you're not going anywhere. I say why? I say you say not joke. I say that they joke rich where money day. All your people they go pay you. And I guess some bad pass. Get boy dot toast guest since January. The girl not agree. April 1st now she call him. I've agreed to go out with you. Come and take me out. So the boy carry and go. Buy her clothes, buy her perfume, everything. Do her hair. They can't go restaurant, go shop. Get out the shop, they lick all her finger, and the boy say, baby, after this, we're going to my hotel room. He gets, April Fool. You see this receipt? Now April Fool, you pay. Say, can somebody joke with his I go rape you. Now guess they cause rape now. You know one friend boy. You let him, he go buy heaven and earth, you go do your hair, everything. They went on a rich house, the guy don't time so where they feel cool, come at you, go say, you're moving too fast. When I they buy clothes for you, not complain on my speed. When they do your hair, not complain on my speed. Now you want my cash break. My break does spoil.
Foreign movies abroad, and I noticed some things about all those foreign movies abroad. You see somebody like Will Smith. Will Smith will just come. Today when I see Will Smith, only him one. Now boxer today. Tomorrow now pilot for another film. Day after again, you go see him again. Now swimmer, you'll see him again as lover man. But on video, it is just different. I don't know why. As soon as you say Kanayo, you'll not say yes, somebody there if you want to use his wife and shoot the to ritual. As soon as you see Patience itself, you'll not say yes, the son-in-law don't die. As soon as you see Ake and Papa, you'll not say two children will go worry the full village in the film. As soon as you see Mr. Ebu, you'll not say the mama of the family they there. When you see makeup, when makeup long for you go touch here, you see pepette everywhere, lip gloss, right, blue. You're not saying you carry I'm gonna be there the film. Then if you want to be the Virgin Mary for the film, you go find Shoma Shukuka. And again, if you want just don't my guy, the guy they brush push up, you don't want to put with you. I'm gonna put you right here. Put you the rubber, put you the come here, come you see the picture. What is I'm gonna put you. Who be that? Who is that? You know the one that fit me pass? As I talk about all this also, Indian people are different. Indian people are different. Indian people, you just see, only one guy will just wake up in the morning. We they call them mushi mushi. Mushi mushi go just go the window, go meet another girl. He go begin a yarn. Musiratu Jadewa Musiratu Moferora Moni Ferragon. Then the moment equivalent go just know. Osha Beo Ferrami. Then Corey Fumi. Then you see it. It's a body got a little miracuda. It's a body got a little miracuda. Miracuda. Listen nata. Yo 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 yo.
Share not true story, eh? Some guys they wanna see my guy, they wanna hey, the guys they wanna hey, oh. You forget tomorrow. Say I saw. You they do me so. You they do me so. You they forget tomorrow. Oh, you say I saw.
I see a hero for Ghana when they press your
I see a maca with you when you they look at me wanna.
I see a pass for your ass, you just take press your wanna.
I pass in on my brother, you know you fit pass my feeling wanna.
So woman they for your phone, so man voice they say hello. Anytime I dial one of the number. So I lie you down. Who let the dogs out?
And do round Carol and Jess and Mo. And you know who's spending dough. The Fox, baby. Holla at your boy. We move fine, move fresh, move. On my shit, I mean, money, move berry. Man, yes, berry. But I'm thinking of the man, you don't know my root. Down when your body me streets, 1 million life. Me want suspect me, put money, but with a knife. Tonight, so that you come money, more corrupt. Want a life to live here, more dollar adults. Nobody in the streets, I'm me love, cool. Want a life to live, 1 million cool. Don't know move back by me, eh? Get it to crew with a brand new shoe, man. Every time feeling cool, man. Shall I yeah?
Talk all joke. But the first thing I noticed is that music is the soul of life. Abi, you see women, they must say yes. By the time we are finished with them, I'm going to say I know. People will leave church. Instead they go out, they go smoke. They get one of my friends, I can God be looking. The guy will leave church. God be looking. One day as the guy goes smoking, and God provoke him and knock. The guy head knock. The guy can stand out for the Kurudu road, wear motor full, only you know they see motor. And I decided to carry Okada. The first Okada came. He said Okada. The Okada man said, where? He said, Germany. Okada man look at me, man, you get Germany, you dance. You still stand up, you still look. They call Okada. The Okada man said, where? He said, Japan. When God will catch him, he thought Okada, he had to don't knock like a home, don't shoot to go. As he still stand up there, he said, Okada. The Okada said, where? He said, China. Then I said, enter, just come from Beijing. Only both of them, they carry themselves, go for Victoria Island Road, very close to Ikoyi Cemetery. Then the guy discover, say, no get money for pocket. Now he begin to form ghost for the Okada man. I am a ghost to put it in, I am a ghost to. Now the Okada man laugh. You be idiot. I know you don't say you in my family. Where your flat for inside the cemetery, I don't go already. Before I go one last thing, please, mommy, they were discussing about children the other time. Please take care of our child. Their child, children. For one reason, pregnant woman, the only time they woman they enjoy your husband the more, mommy in her life. Now when you are like 9 or 8 months pregnant, that time you are the husband, the idiot is the wife. You can send the mom anywhere you like. If you see that with big belly, they watch television, call her. Today you must answer. Get me the remote. Remote control! One woman suffer her husband. Now both of them they go around the 11 for midnight, very close to our cemetery. Now cemetery delay. Pregnant woman can lie. Only work fast, I am tired. Only work fast, I am tired. Boys jump out of the cemetery. You don't see pregnant woman tear before. By the time when you go reach house in belly don't flat. Now you look in belly, where's my baby? Where's my baby? Baby tap out from behind. Mommy!
Let the dogs out!
Vain stuff like phone, really as expensive as some kind of things. Especially you carry phone of 150,000 naira. This new BlackBerry Bold just come outside 140, 160k. Person go buy and put for pocket. You carry plasma TV, put for pocket. As in you just one day you call the see beggars for road and you hold TV for pocket. They will buy wristwatch. I see one guy wear one wristwatch. I ask him, how nice wristwatch? How much is it? The guy said 40,000 pounds. Now how much 40,000 pounds be for naira? 40, I said another guy, IWC way in there, he said 28,000 pounds for watch. People don't tell you time and date. Finish. 40,000 pounds. If I go buy watch, we cost switch like that, which means that watch will tell me when Jesus Christ won't come. I don't look at you come next week, make I repent in America. You can't rubbish this one. And boys will do some kind of things where I don't try for. You will see guy go to try one impress woman by any means necessary. I tell people, if you won't carry babe, come out here, you won't carry and go Chinese restaurant, you won't show off. Make sure say you specify some kind of things because by you showing off, go mess yourself up. You won't carry girl, Unila girls. If you take Unila girl out, as you call her, tell her, say, honey, we are going out tomorrow night to have dinner. We, me and you, me and you, both of us, me and you alone. Send text alone. Send like 3 texts, only alone. Go there, alone. Me and you alone. All these girls, they need to hear what they will go carry their friends, join body. Which can rob it with the big money. Now so I tell one girl, let's go out. I go pick her up for Unilag. Oh boy, don't be smart thing. Why Unilag? Where again? Now loud tech. Oh boy, now I call this babe. I did downstairs for the hostel. Honey, I'm downstairs. She come down. As she open the door, enter. I wonder. I say, oh, just hold on. Some of my friends are coming. Hey, come in. After me and you, okay. I think that small girls will come. You see the kind of big girls will come down. Big girls will go chop everything. They just come. Hello. I say, now die with this. At the end inside car, we drive reach Marco Polo to eat, make you better for that like 7K. My brother, if you see Yawabe that day and look the menu, no say Chinese menu now with numbers in the order. No we pronounce their food, so we just say number 2, number whatever. Now I look the thing, I look the prices. Now I just tell the waiter, just give me number 9. The guy they wait, I say just number 9. Only just number, and I cook. Me, I know before myself, I just get to save some money. Maybe the girls they fit job. They meet my babe. Says, madam, what would you take? Say, no girls. Okay. Let me have number 15, Number 22. Number okay, hold on. Number 19 and number 40. Thank you. That one not too bad. That kind 8K. And then give me to the first fast girl. Madam, your order. Okay. Give me page 12 and page 27 and page 80. They tell the second one, madam, your order. Give me from page 70 to 100. And the one way girls they do when they provoke me pass. You go call girl, let's have a date. She go from her house, come, dress sexy. You go there, hope. Say at the night, you guys will get it on. My brother, they no go tell you say, then 9 days on. That is fraud. 419. EFCC supposed to arrest guys when they behave like that. That is 419. Why did you not tell me from home? I carry you reach with group, and they no go tell you until 4 a.m. when you don't make another call. I am on my on what? On what? You get one new trick. All the guys over there, new trick when they walk now. If get you want to get a corner, do it like this. Hello, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm fine. Well, start like this. Ask her. What? Sorry, I was trying to reach you yesterday. The network was bad. What were you doing? What did you do after work yesterday? That question. She will say, actually, after work, I went to News Service to have a drink and I went home. Ask her that same question again from a different angle. So, what exactly did you do after work? And I told you now, I went to News Cafe, I had a drink with some of my friends, and I went home. Ask her again. So you mean you went to News Cafe? I said yes, now I went to News Cafe. Why you annoying me? Say, calm down, are you on your period? At that point, she will say, no, but you're just annoying me. Say, okay, come, let's hang out. But when you ask her, are you on your, they say, but you're annoying me. Okay, I just wanted to say hi. I'll call you tomorrow, or next week. If they pray and they provoke and they appeal, then the one when they do again. Well, and guys, all the guys, if you take a girl out on a date and you spend money, you don't mean say she owe you anything. Alright? Now your own will. Now you say you want to come out. So maybe say after 4 nights you come one day make.
Who let the dogs out?
And let me tell you something, some girls can impress you. They will not say you were and see they say, come on, honey, you look handsome. Because you spend handsome. You see some men, if you see them for interest, then they wait till the girl. No, without their face, they'll go stand up, go meet the girl again. Some girls are wicked. They are also you ugly. Then they order the thing, say, please, I need one chicken, please, jollof fried rice. And they don't want their friends see their boyfriend will say, whoa, you contact that your wife and say, well, I can't come meet her. As you order, please, chicken and jollof rice. Then you go say, orange juice, please go and sit down. Sit down, what is all this? Then our friends will go and say, why did you? No, nah, me, Angela, look face, waiting. Take that face, come meet me here again. And the other, they take carry a face, come. Please bring this other one. And if you walk, you dey waka follow your girlfriend, she dey move very fast, she don't greet anybody. Not being known. They say, hey, Angela, how are you? Fine. Please move fast now. Then if you see man when start relationship new with girl, the man they work out for the girl back. I'm serious. If they live here and I just follow people, you see people when the relationship don't take, the one will never take. If the relationship now new one, you see the guy for the guy is at the back, he don't get out in the view. I rush this thing. The guy not going to the girl will say, please move faster now. But the relationship don't take. You see the man from the front. Move, I will leave you here. I will leave you here. Move faster. That one just don't say she don't care for you. I'm serious. Let me tell you something. There's no need for you to beat your wife. Don't beat your wife. Leave your wife. I don't like men when they beat wife. Don't beat them. Women are so unique. Don't touch them. Why would they send blow with women? Not good. If your wife is troublesome, leave her. If you shout, leave her. Just form mentor for her. As you enter house, only just the talk. Radar, shady time. Radar. She only observe, say, blessed is my husband, don't decrease. Then, the next day, once you enter house, enter the bedroom, like this. Right? Only she go call pastors come. If pastors are just come, they'll say, where is your husband? If you say you stay inside, come like this. From bedroom, come like this. So the pastor will say, sister, this is your husband, don't decrease. Look at when will not be so immune. As these brothers they go to like this, hey, oh, no problem. You see, now only she will go call family members. And once she just call them, once the family members just sit down like this, form madness now. If the family members say, please, our son-in-law, what is the problem? Do like this, nothing. Now only the uncles they will call their pikin and say, this one don't crazy, so carry the children, come home. Make it not come kill now for this house. And they tell some people, say, look, if you the price a shower for Abuja anywhere, if a shower tell you say 20,000, tell them say you'll pay 25,000 naira. If a shower say why? You should say you will pay me. Tell us, say, come on, you're nice. So people don't know how to discharge a shower. Once you can enter hotel room by 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the night, 1 o'clock, wake up. Enter bedroom, enter the toilet, open the door, only you just talk. Just talk to yourself. Just say, make I kill this one, why I'll kill her? I killed yesterday now, go kill this one again. Hey, waiting, now this girl too nice now, don't feel kill her now. I killed yesterday now. Then only you close the toilet door, enter bed. Go sleep. You see, say before morning, then you see the asha. Only the asha will go wrong. Carry a shoe. Who wonder?
Who let the dogs out? You know, until Rankaro the Jesse Mo, and you know who's spending dough. The Flaps, baby. Holla at your boy. Move fine, move fresh, move on my shit. I mean, money, yes, but I'm thinking of me, man, you don't know my root. Down your body, me streets, 1 million life. Me won't suspect me, pay money, bump with a knife. Timba, so that you come, money more corrupt. Want a life to me, live here, more taller adults. Somebody me streets, one put me love a buruku. Want a life to me, live 1 million per cool. Don't move back by me, eh, get it to cool. With a brand new shoe, man, all time feeling cool. Man, shall I, yeah, demolition, leave you brief. Every hood we are dead, man, they call me shit. The kind of money we